Hi there, my name is AJ Patel, and I'm the president of Vancouver Community College. I'm here at our beautiful Broadway campuses that are located on the traditional and unceded territory of the Musqueam, Squamish, and Tsleil-Waututh people who've been stewards of these lands since time immemorial, where we have the opportunity to work, learn, and play. I want to take this opportunity to welcome all of our students back to another amazing semester here at VCC, including those of you that are returning, and a special warm welcome to anyone that's new to VCC. I'm sure you will find Vancouver Community College to be a friendly place, a warm place, a welcoming place. We have a saying here at VCC, this is the place where you get real learning for real change. I know this is an exciting time of the year for you, but it can also present with some challenges throughout the semester. Please know that everyone here at VCC wants to support you. We have the resources available for you to be successful in your journey here at VCC.
Whether you are new or returning student, we have plenty of resources to help you out at your first year at VCC. Starting with your student ID, you can bring a government piece of ID such as passport or your driver's license to our registrar's office at Downtown or Broadway.
At the Downtown campus, you can get yourself pampered at the salon and spa.
Get a haircut, facial, manicure, or a relaxation massage at a fraction of the cost of other venues.
At each campus, Indigenous students can access the gathering spaces to meet resident elders, other students, use the computers to complete assignments, or just pop by to have a cup of coffee with us.
At the Learning Center, get support from a professional tutor in English, math, science, or business, improve your study strategies and test taking, or pick up some worksheets.
The Students' Union of VCC is run for students by students. We're here to support you with money-saving services, awesome events, and by advocating to VCC on issues that students are facing.
If you're looking to cover your tuition fees, come seek help at Financial Aid Office. We have plenty of resources including bursaries and scholarships.
Our team is here to assist you with any questions or concerns you may have regarding general support for international students, as well as questions regarding study permit, co-work permit, off-campus work eligibility, and postgraduate work permit.
We understand that being a student involves a lot of responsibilities, so visit us at Counseling Services for one-on-one confidential sessions including mental health, stress management, and career guidance.
Our campuses are conventional, located near SkyTrain stations.
But if you do drive, you can always bring in your car for servicing and repairs at our Broadway Auto Body Shop.
Borrow books, laptops, and other electronic equipment, use computers and study space, and get help with research at the library.
At VCC, you are now part of a vibrant college community that makes us so special. I look forward to seeing all of you on campus throughout the semester. Please stop me and do say hello, and I wish you all the best in the fall semester.